Hello, Onward Bounders! Today, we're going to explore Hoover Dam and Lake Mead. Where nature meets innovation, Hoover Dam and Lake Mead are must-see destinations. Let's explore why. Completed in 1936, Hoover Dam is an engineering marvel, taming the Colorado River to provide water and power to millions. Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the US, offers boating, fishing, and kayaking, a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Walk across Hoover Dam for unforgettable views of serene Lake Mead on one side and the dramatic Black Canyon on the other. For a unique perspective, visit the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, the perfect spot to capture the dam's grandeur. Explore the visitor center to dive into the dam's history and marvel at the massive turbines powering the region. From stunning views to rich history, Hoover Dam and Lake Mead promise an unforgettable adventure. Plan your visit today. Thank you for visiting our channel. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comments, and subscribe for more videos.